cousin.
And today we're playing Minecraft. And we're trying to find something in water because there's a new update.
Llama.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there's an update. And we basically want to find what's going on with the update. Well, it's not really an update. It's like the latest update. I can't speak.
I missed that music.
I miss this music because, like, when the update came out, they made new music and I didn't really like it. Cause the music was like do. Yeah, okay.
And if you're wondering why we have stuff in the inventory, it's because we just started.
We didn't just start.
Yeah. We did a
We
little bit of searching.
No, we gathered resources to make like these awesome tools. Yeah.
You only have an axe, a pickaxe, a door.
Because I made a house. But we're abandoning it now. Comment down below what you want us to play like next time.
Kill that sheep.
Comment down below. Yeah, sure. Comment down below what you want us to play next time.
That Happy Wheels video.
I couldn't upload the Happy Wheels part. Yeah,
I watched it though.
In a Happy Wheels part video, yeah, I could upload it.
This is
well,
the same channel.
I did upload it, but like I basically made a new channel, but I deleted all my videos and I made a new name because I didn't want my subscribers to go, even though I had two.
Your awesome subscribers.
No, I said all subscribers to go. Yeah.
Anyway. Oh yeah, why don't you show your viewers about the swimming animation?
I did. Oh wait, no I didn't. Ha! So guys, if you... I can't. I need food, which I don't have any.
You have raw mutton. I don't know why this guy, in Minecraft, this guy doesn't like to eat raw stuff.
How?
Before you said you don't like to eat raw stuff in Minecraft.
What do you mean?
When we were playing on the Xbox.
Okay, but that's because sometimes it can poison you. So if you look at the top right, left, there's a llama. You were just talking about a llama, right? Yeah. If you look at, okay, it's gone. If you punch a llama, it will spit at you. Oh, stupid.
Wait, you're meant to hit it so it can give you resources, just like in Fortnite.
No, it won't.
Oh.
Stop being dumb, please.
Don't worry, guys. I know the difference between Fortnite and Minecraft in llamas.
Ooh, give me some salmon. So if you look at the top left, guys, you can see the new swimming animation. I'll show you myself. It looks like I'm a shark. That's the new swimming animation.
Imagine if that llama follows you.
I will kill it.
That's just animal cruelty. You'll get sued from Mojang.
I can make brown wool.
Oh my gosh. Bonnie.
Oh my gosh, Rani. I'm not gonna put copyright music into my video because... Hi.
Do you want some raisins?
No.
Oh, piss off. Here, Callum.
Family friendly.
No one.
Family friendly.
Oh my god, my mom just messed up my video. Guys,
That's going so good.
Guys, don't mess that. Like, don't mind that. Okay, I'm gonna title this video. My mom came into my room and messed up my video. That's actually gonna be my title.
But don't worry, guys.
Don't worry, guys. I'm like 5,000 years old. I don't need a mom. Yeah. I'm joking.
That's meant to be.
Everybody needs a mum.
She's just like,
I'll like, because my mom came into my room and she was like,
she got raisins.
she like, oh, guys, I want raisins.
And you're gonna lose all your resources.
So, keep inventory. I'm joking. I can't do that.
You need to find food. Maybe if,
Stop eating that. It's annoying.
maybe if you find a pig or a chicken or
Eat with your mouth closed. That's annoying. I don't like the sound of eating. Thank you.
ugh.
Mm. Okay, guys.
That just made the video awful.
Guys, if you didn't know, my mom just coming in and made a video awkward. Yeah. If you didn't know, I have someone eats like really annoyingly, like when someone eats like really weirdly around you, you get out.
I don't really.
Yes, you do. You're like,
No, I don't eat like that.
well, that's how it sounds when you eat food with a mouth open, like.
That's what it sounds like when you eat spaghetti. I'm not
Who's eat? Oh.
You were like, I'm surprised it.
I was gonna say who's eating me.
I'm surprised you didn't scream.
I don't need to scream about that.
Come on, we need to find a pig.
This is a shy. Can you stop, please? That's annoying.
Fine, I'll go over this one.
Bye. Dad, I'm dead. Of course, when I get to half a heart, I don't die anymore. Bye. Okay. I'm not gonna quit. I don't know why it says Steve.
Yo.
Okay. Okay, I can't get out of this. Wait, slash.
Wait, what did you slash? Hide.
Okay, guys, this has already been a long video right now. It's been 8 minutes and 23 seconds already.
What? The maximum you should make a video is 10 minutes though.
No, 15 or less. Okay, I think this is a good place to do my outro.
Please?
This guy just stabbed in my video. Demonetized.
Man, I told you did.
Dab police come out. So
That's all we have for today.
we hope you enjoyed this video and have an awesome day.
Make sure you like, subscribe,
Right?
and hit that.
No. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, that subscribe button, the bell button, bing, and I'll see you all later.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.